You don't necessarily need to know your IYI-UWA, but if your IYI-UWA is the kind of IYI-UWA that is destructive and it is preventing you from actualizing your purpose, for instance, or it's preventing you from living out this life to the way you want to live, it's not really giving you self-fulfillment. Now this is when divination alpha comes in. Now when you go for divination, this is when they'll now tell you that the reason why a certain aspect of your life is behaving in a certain way is because of IYI-UWA, the cosmic oaths that you took before you reincarnated. And this is when the Debia will now prescribe rituals that are going to perform to be able to overturn or overhaul that IYI-UWA, that oath you took at Abu or Kalete. Now if your IYI-UWA is not disturbing you, then there is no reason why you should seek out to practically know the IYI-UWA that you took. It's of no bearing. Now the only people that engage or that